call will be recorded by Google for quality purposes.
Z1, this is Mark.
Hey Mark, what's up man? My name's Romello. I'm looking for a few things for my 350Z. I was wondering if you could help me out real quick.
Sure. What are we looking at?
So I recently just got a Street Pro clutch and pressure plate from you guys, but I just picked up a and that clutch face is just gonna go to the moon.
Just the Performance Street.
Just Performance Street?
One.
That should be enough for 400 or like 400 pounds or 400 foot-pounds of torque, right? All right, cool. Standard, you guys got 6-puck hub sprung. I already have a clutch line. Awesome, cool.
Pitbull tired. Where's he at? He in the zone. He listened to a podcast.
What is going on, guys? Double R here. So we got a really busy day today. It's kind of exciting too because I've been holding this off from telling you guys this for a while. Sorry, I'm out of breath. Whew. And now I don't have to keep any secrets because today we're getting our turbo kit for the 350Z. So me, my girl, my dog Bella, we're on our morning run at the moment. I did some editing this morning and I also called Z1. If you guys follow me on Instagram, I'll put the link down in the description below. I put a post out and just asked people around to see if they had any upgraded pressure plates or 6-puck sprung clutches because the Street Pro clutch that I got for the Z right now as an NA setup, I don't even think it's gonna make it through the dyno on the low boost that we're gonna try and run on the first pass. So hopefully they hook us up. I think that'll be here within the next day or two. Right now we're having some issues at the house as far as plumbing goes. We're about to head to my girlfriend's mom's house to shower and stuff. I'm gonna finish up a little editing there and then we'll be back at the shop to pick up the turbo kit so then I can show you guys what we're gonna do with the brand new 350Z setup. I'm sorry, I'm so out of breath. Alright yo, so we're on our way to pick up the turbo kit from Rob. If you guys don't know who that Poverty Z is, I'm gonna put his link down in the description below. He used to have a crazy fast 350Z. If you guys know anything about that turbo kit, it is now in my hands. So if you guys want to see more, go ahead, check his Instagram down below. He's doing a crazy swap to his 350Z that I don't think I'm allowed to tell anyone yet. But as far as our turbo kit goes, you guys are gonna see it today. So I'm not gonna say much about it because obviously when we get there, you guys are gonna see it. But I'll let you know right now, it is a single turbo kit. It makes an insane amount of torque and it's a hood exit. You guys will see it when we get there. It looks pretty crazy. But like I said, go ahead and follow my man Rob down below. He's really hooking me up with this and it's really helping me out for my 350Z build. There's a lot less parts that I have to source out now, so it just makes life so much easier. So thank you, Rob. I appreciate you. Some wings and things. Damn, son. It's finally happening.
Yeah. Yes, she probably smells Riley too. All the hot side piping is in here.
That's all welded by Sean?
Yeah. All this stuff too.
For the manifolds. That's a stock fuel rail, right?
Yeah.
Ported up. 5/16?
5/8. It's bigger.
Jesus.
Stuff Sean made.
I thought you couldn't run a spacer on the car.
We do that for extra airflow.
Oh, okay.
we'd be sending that bitch. I kept all the vacuum lines, so it's easier to remember where everything went. And these are like up to like 4,000 degrees or some shit.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. So they're like really good for heat and all that.
It needs to be cleaned. Do I need to clean? I don't need to rebuild.
No, that's just for the coolant. Yeah. This is for the oil drain. That's already on the teeth inside the
Oil pan. You just still have to take that off. Then the baby picture, and then
Over your head like a caveman?
do it, yeah, like that.
We made slight modifications to what we originally made.
Which it was a Turbonetics kit, right? Just a regular out-the-box
So the
Turbonetics
only
kit.
thing that we kept for the Turbonetics was this right here.
That's it.
Yeah.
And that's the pipe that goes behind the engine, right? From the.
This is from turbo, header to turbo to wastegate.
Oh, it's a. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's the only thing you kept.
Everything else got made. Got to stay tuned for part 2.
Yeah. Yeah. No, they'll see the install. This is just the pickup. But damn, that's. I'm excited to see how this thing works, man.
I
What
got
the
all
hell
the
was
bolts
Sean
labeled.
thinking about when he did this shit? Wait, was your idea to pick up this kit at first to boost the car?
Yeah, I came with the
What?
kit, and Sean's like, "Nah, this ain't gonna work." And I'm like, "What you mean?" He's like, "Let's bolt it up." We went to start putting it together, and it just didn't work for what we
It
wanted.
didn't fit it, right?
Yeah, and I
right?
was like, "Well, you know, I want to do a hood dump and all this and that." And he's like, "Well, you know,
We
we're
gotta
just gonna have
trash
to totally
all
go-
this kit,
Yeah.
keep what we need, which is basically just the turbo and the wastegate
I
pipe.
mean, yeah, and then we just created the bracket to bolt it up. This bolts right up to the AC bracket. That's why I told
Easy.
you no AC.
Easy.
And then we just need to pressure wash all this and then repaint it with the heat shield shit.
Easy.
It'll take a day. Put this turbo on the other end here. Yeah.
Rob,
Thank you.
thank you. You're the man, bro.
Later, dog.
Later, homie. You stay safe. We got a turbo kit, Bella. Where'd you go? Bella. Bella is ready to go fast. She got the turbo right next to her. We about to get some boost from the open window. Dude, oh my god, thank you so much to Rob for supplying me with my first ever turbo kit that I've ever had in my life. We're about to throw this on the Z literally as fast as possible, but we still need a couple of supporting mods to make sure that we could throw it on the dyno and everything works out fine. We're probably gonna have to go to Next Gen Tuning, which is down the street from my shop. They have a bunch of different aftermarket parts for the Z, like AFR sensors and boost controllers that I would need to be able to run on the dyno. We're gonna get in contact with them, we're gonna see what we need, and then we're gonna see how fast we can put it on. I just got the news today that he wanted me to pick up the turbo kit, and I was like, you know what, screw it. So I just decided to make a quick video out of it. So we'll go to the shop, I'll go over a few things for you guys, and yeah. I appreciate you guys for watching. I'm Double R and I'm out.